In fast-moving teams, it's important to be able to provide as much information as possible when sharing an update. With smart links, it's super easy to share this extra context, whether you're linking to an engineering ticket, support request, video, or design file. Smart link previews let you share important information from other tools and platforms in your craft document without viewers having to leave the doc. It's as simple as pasting the URL into your document. For example, you can share a YouTube video by pasting in the link just like this. You can either embed the entire video so your colleagues can watch it in Craft, or change the link format to just show important information like view count, likes, and duration. If you add a link to a Figma document, you'll see the file name, the last edit time, and the number of pages in the document. You can even explore Figma documents without having to leave Craft by clicking on the three-dot icon and clicking Embed. Stay on top of any issues or bugs in your product by dropping in a linear or Jira link. Now you can share a status update right in your Craft doc, surfacing useful information like issue titles, descriptions, IDs, assignee, and of course, the issue's status. These are just a few of the services with Smart Link support, and there are many more coming soon. Let us know what tools and apps you'd like to see support for next in the comments below.